The online space is actually a blessing to those that actually see it as a blessing. And right now, I want to actually talk about Ysense and how you can actually make dollars online every single day, working legitimately on ysense.com. Right now, guys, if I just click on this join now space, so you can actually see for yourself. The only thing you got to do to sign up on this platform is actually just click on this place and fill in your email address, your password, and then you click this tick and then you click on join now. Right now, as you can see here, it says extra and extra cash online. YSL is actually a global online community with multiple earning options. Join now and start earning, get paid for online service, cash offers, walls, and also many more, guys. Looking for guys, this thing is actually a very very cool platform. And with that being said, guys, without any further ado, welcome back to this channel and let's get into the video, guys. Let's go. Welcome back, guys. And first of all, you need to know that Ysense is not actually a Nigerian platform. It is actually a global website or a global platform. They also have an application, and this is actually the website version. Right now, as you can see here, it says get paid to actually, get paid service, cash offers, referrals, and so on and so forth. And as you can see here, these are their companies which they are actually, with them. And as you can see here, they actually have their app on Google Play Store and also on that's Google Play Store for Android and also App Store for iOS devices. And with that being said, guys, literally let's jump into an account. Let's literally sign into an account to show you guys how it actually works. So right now I click on sign in and it will actually load up for me. Just give it a while. And right now let's just click on this email address place and then I input my okay. So it says Ysense is actually currently unavailable. I don't know, hasn't told me that yet. Okay, so I think it was an error. So if I click on sign in right now, all right, so I just fill in my details and I click on sign in. Now as you can see here, I'm actually having different accounts. So this is one of my accounts which I just want to show you guys how you can actually do it for yourself, how you can actually make money every single day, working on Ysense or making money on Ysense. And as you can see, I said it earlier on, you can actually do paid surveys, cash offers, referrals are done, so on and so forth, guys. So let's go to how to actually earn money ASAP. First of all, you need to actually set up your account. So right now I would actually assume you have actually created your account. Now let's go here, go to accounts, profile and settings. So you just wait for it to actually load up. You give it a while for it to load up, and please as it is actually loading up, don't forget to actually hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you can get notified by YouTube whenever new money making videos we published to this channel, guys. And as you can see here, this is my username. You just fill in your email address, realdominionaudu@gmail.com, first name, last name, and so on and so forth, and that's it. Right now let's go back. All right, so that's that. Let's go to the surveys and click on complete surveys so we can actually make money online, or we can actually make money on this platform using surveys. So right now I'm going to be answering some questions so we can actually make money for ourselves. So right now, as you can see here, it's saying we have $0.42, and okay. Right now let's click on this smallest survey. Ysense is actually a very legitimate platform if you know how to go about it. And sorry, my network is actually kind of bad today. I don't know, it's just kind of giving me some issues. So right now you just click on complete offers. Welcome to BitLabs, and as you can see, BitLabs is actually a survey platform. So but literally you're still going to be getting paid on Ysense. So literally, let's say you have done the survey, it will actually reflect on your account. So right now let's go to the to the withdrawal space so you can see how to withdraw. Well, first of all, let's go to the offers so you can see how many offers they have on this platform. So this is the first one under offers, license offers. You see, yeah, one ant. Let's click on it, and one ant is actually loading up. Please wait. As you can see here, it says please wait. And right now, as you can see here, these are so many surveys. These are so many this one you're going to be getting. They say guess the NFT. Number one, do your NFTs. You're going to be getting 11 cents. Easy box, you're going to be getting 12 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents. I think if you download OctaFX, if you sign up, I don't really know what they mean, but it's actually an OctaFX app. As you can see, this one, it says 2 cents. You're going to be getting 2 cents. There are a bunch of stuffs for you to actually do there. So right now, let's still go to offers, and as you can see, offers, when you download private, that is the peer via VPN, you're going to be getting $35. But literally, the only thing you've got to do is just to download it. You click on download, click to end right now, then you do it for yourself. You do the tax which you'll be prompted to do for yourself. And right now, you're going to be getting $40, a whole whooping $40 if you actually use the Express VPN. But I guess you're going to be upgrading your account first before you can actually do it. Upgrading your Express account, Express VPN or peer account, before you're going to be getting that amount of money for yourself. So apart from one ant, that's the one ant offer, there are review offers under license offers. So there are a whole lot of offers for you to actually do here. As you can see here, this is the kind of offers they do have here. This one is going to be getting 106, and as you can see, there are a whole lot of money for you to actually make here. Let's go to offer Toro, and after that, I'm just going to be showing you guys, after all these surveys, I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can actually withdraw on this literal platform. And I'm going to show you guys the the minimum withdrawal and everything you need to know about withdrawals. So that being said, and this is the offer Toro, and I don't know, my network is actually bad today. It's actually bad right now. So just give it a while. And as you can see here, this IAT Studios offer, AdGates offer, AdSend offer, Peanut Labs offer, and so on and so forth. So now, right now, let's go to the cash out space to show you guys how you can actually cash out. So it's actually loading up, give it a while. So as you can see here, you can cash out with this so many options. The first one on my list is actually Amazon, where you can actually withdraw through Amazon. Amazon gift card is actually $5 minimum withdrawal, and this is also another type of Amazon gift card, GE gift card, which is actually $1 minimum withdrawal. Amazon ES starting from $20 the minimum withdrawal. Then GBP, you're gonna be, if you want to withdraw in GBP, you're gonna be getting $25 minimum before you can actually withdraw. And Amazon IT, $11.50, $11.50 before you can actually withdraw. Payoneer, if you want to withdraw directly into your Payoneer, guys, you're going to be getting $25 on Y-Sense before you can actually withdraw to Payoneer ASAP. PayPal, you're going to be getting $10. PayPal Euros, you're going to be getting 12.01 before you can withdraw. Reward Lucky Italy, $12 before. Skrill, 5.05. Steam, $10. Then the last but not the least is Zalando.de, which is actually $11 before you can withdraw from this platform. So guys, I don't really have much to talk about this platform, but if you love what I do here, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification button so you can get notified by YouTube whenever a new money making video is being published to this channel. With that being said, guys, and without any further ado, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.